What is up, guys? Welcome back to Turbo's Garage. Now today we're going to get back to building the race car, and we got a lot of work to do today. And today's work is going to consist of us installing the hot side, installing the turbo, and pretty much running a lot of oil lines to make sure we have clearances, make sure nothing is going to burn up, catch the shit on fire, and I lose my full investment. So what we're going to be doing today is pretty much installing that sexy piece of hardware. What we can see here today, we have the CX Racing turbo kit for LS swap S13s and S14. So it's a pretty complete setup. It's very, very nice. All the welds look very, very good. Very, very thick gauge steel, and this thing should work on my setup. Here's the cross pipe here, so this is going to connect both of the manifolds together. So we're going to get to installing this. Other things that I have is Mike hooked me up with a LS3 coil pack setup, so that's going to be one less thing I got to worry about. I really want to install this this intercooler. This thing looks so beast. That gold, the black M on it. Shout out to Mishimoto, you know, sponsors hooking us up. But let's get some work done. Now, before we install this kit, this turbo that we're using for the 240, this is actually off of like a twin turbo Lambo. So that thing made like 2,000 horsepower. So I mean, shit, one turbo should be close to like 800 to 1,000. So pretty much we're gonna use this turbo on the 4.8 itself. It's just like a normal T76 ball bearing turbo. And then this is going to fit onto the kit. It's a T4 flange. The kit that I bought is a T4 flange kit as well. So all this stuff is going to pretty much bolt all straight together, and it should just cleanly install. So we're going to get to do that right now. So let us go. Now, one thing, we're just mocking everything up, so we're not putting the gaskets on there. We're just putting everything rough fitting just to make sure we have clearances for stuff when we run the oil lines and all the other type of lines right now. So you're gonna be able to see how this kit looks, and them CX Racing headers don't look bad at all. And things look
pretty good quality.
Oh, yeah. They come with V-bands too, so I mean, you have really everything you need to run the full exhaust side pretty much out of the box. The thing looks nice, bruh. So yeah, we definitely got space in here. Looks pretty good. Off to the left side. Let's do it. Yeah, this has way more space than the other side, so this definitely should work. We got rid of that ABS module, so whenever we do the downpipe, we'll probably may just do it out of the hood, or we can just come through here and do like a side exit exhaust. It's whatever. We'll get there when we get there. Yeah, move all that old shit out of the way. It's gonna get deleted anyway, yeah, exactly. So yeah, we don't have to really worry about that. Cool. Thing is coming together, bruh.
That's some nice quality.
CX is legit.
They're coming up, I guess.
Oh yeah.
Doing some legit stuff.
Well, shit, like most of the biggest YouTubers out there, like on their little drift cars and stuff, they run a CX kits. They work fine. So I mean, CX is legit.
Man, let's say something cracks. I mean, it's
pretty much I just get a replacement header. It's not that big of a deal. Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah, definitely. You know, I'm always spending the higher money route.
Oh, yeah,
like, just buy another header. No, nigga, you supposed to weld this shit.
Yeah, break a weld, just weld it back.
Put it between there. Hopefully, it don't scuff up the radiator. Yeah, it should fit pretty fine. So this crossover pipe is going to connect both headers together, and then that's going to merge into the collector, and that's where the turbo is going to sit at. So
man, this shit wrong or something. Or is this how
no, that's how it goes. Okay. You got to go all the way back there. You don't have that collector yet.
Oh, okay.
Got to give you the collector.
Oh, the collector, that makes sense. Yeah.
You're just connecting to that V-band right there. Man, that looks so good.
Oh yeah, dude. It's legit.
Oh man, it's crazy.
Epic.
If you guys don't see, Mike's back there pretty much telling us everything to do. So.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Nice. That's good. I ain't got stupid.
Nice. Get that beast of a turbo pitted on it, man. Let's christen this thing with a boost.
Nice.
Yeah, those are the
a poll of what to call the car.
Ooh, perfect.
Awesome.
I'm gonna do that shit right tonight. I can do it actually right now.
Ooh, man.
Should we name the
What color are we putting?
I don't know. I want to do like a gloss black. and then like do the decals and shit on the side. But it's really
That'd be
whatever.
good. The colors for the turbos garage.
Yeah, exactly. Because I know I'm doing like the gold, cold side, doing the gold brackets. I want to see if they sell some. If I can like buy them off eBay, the Corvette coil pack covers and get them shaved and like do whatever little custom design on there, like turbos or some shit.
That'd be cool.
Yeah. So as you can see, the turbo hot side is fully installed and it looks pretty mint. This whole thing looks nice. Oh yeah, so got some unicorn juice go through there, freedom come out the other side, pretty much. Hey.
Bald eagles.
Straight bald eagles, man.
You know it.
Whew, can't wait to hear this thing run one of these days. So we actually got the harness for the thing now. This is like a PSI conversion harness to fit on this LS motor and pretty much like a TH400 setup. So yeah.
Yeah, it's basically a standalone harness. So we're gonna basically put it in there and 2 wires should get it running. Basically, we're gonna have our fan hook up so we have electric fans can come on, tax signal, fuel pump, for the relay for all that stuff. Real simple harness.
Hell yeah.
Use it on a few cars. They're really good. Not a bad price. Yeah, I think they're around $550, $600.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I bet.
Yeah, everything brand new wires, brand new plugs, brand new everything.
Hell yeah.
Simple. Push! Yep,
Damn,
coolant
dude.
tip, alternator. Nice there.
Yeah, that's all in.
That is
Still
it.
gotta buy more stuff for it, but yeah, everything is ran, tucked nice. Dude, this thing looks. Whew, I can't even get the words out, man.
The rest of everything will be behind the dashboard with the ECU.
Cool.
Get all that done next. Run all the small wires we gotta run. Shit, we should have this thing fired up next week.
Hell yeah. So have everything still coming in the mail. So once everything drop ships, let's throw it over here.
Oh yeah.
Get this mug going, man.
Stay tuned.
All I gotta say is, wow, this thing is looking. I never even thought this car would get to this point. I thought it was just gonna be a normal little LS swap, auto transmission. This thing is becoming crazy, and still got a nice amount of space, some room for activities over here. So if you can see the turbo kit setup, thing is looking all nice and stuff. We got the harness tucked. You can barely see the harness. All you really see is just the connectors for the injectors and the coil pack. So this thing is looking very, very nice. Even from there, I mean, a lot of space. This thing is beast, dude. Would you ever think I would go this far?
Go this far? Oh yeah, I know you would. Eventually. It's nice,
Like,
though.
this thing
It's
is
nice,
crazy. Yeah, so
It's gonna be crazy.
yeah, it's a work in progress. We still got a ways to go. Like a lot of the big shit is out the way. So pretty much now it's gonna be the nickel and dime, like 200 here, 300 for like the battery relocation kit, 200 for like the little brake master cylinder, this and that. It's all gonna go up to like what, 4 or 5 grand I got left. But shit, most of the big shit is out the way. Harness, pretty much all I really need to do is put down the alternator, the MAF, and I think the coolant temp sensor, and then pretty much the harness will be completely filled with all the shit that I need. I'm going with a digital dash setup, so I'm gonna have like HP tuners up where I can kind of data log and have everything going. And I'm gonna have some hard gauges too for like my oil pressure, my boost gauge, AFRs, all that type of stuff. But man, this is crazy. And I still haven't even mounted the intercooler yet. The intercooler is gonna set this thing completely apart. So I gotta pretty much chop off this front little setup right there because I'm doing hood pins. I don't need the old like lock setup. So cut that out, throw the intercooler in there, then it's gonna be looking mint. Still got a ways to go. One thing to note, I know people always bring it up, this isn't the final paint color for this car. I bought the car like this, it's not gonna stay like this. Once I finish all the big shit, then I can get the paint and like visual stuff, but exactly right now. But as it sits, made a lot of progress today. Power performance kicked in pretty much, and the dude got us sitting right. This thing is, dude, I'm happy. I'm a happy camper. So I definitely got to give the big shout out to Mike at Howard Performance. One thing to note, if you guys need cam swaps, you guys need motor swaps, you want to make some power, hit up Mike at Howard Performance. I got the link in the description. You can see all this stuff and be able to contact. I know a lot of guys have been DMing me on Instagram asking about like cam swap prices and how much it costs to LS swap this. That's very, very vague to say that. I'd rather you guys actually contact Howard Performance if you need the pricing on different things like that. I don't specialize in that. Pretty much I'm just a customer. So from here, still got a ways to go, still got things to do, but Mike is just blowing us away. Big shout out to Mishimoto too. You know, you guys always kicking in. Mishimoto, you know, you guys. I'm gonna install that intercooler probably in the next video. Get everything fabbed up on the front because I still have to do the cold side. So I mean, this is just like halfway of the turbo kit technically. I still got to do the cold side of everything. But and one last thing, we're looking for a name for the car. So if you guys have an idea of what you guys want to call the car, pretty much just shoot your shot inside of the comment section below. It's whatever. I mean, it could be something funny, it could be something serious, it's whatever. And whatever gets the most likes, pretty much we'll choose that. And don't forget to slap a like on this video. If you guys want to subscribe. You know, we always gonna have some badass content coming up very, very soon. So you really want to stay tuned for this car because we're gonna be looking to hit the streets real hard with this thing in Mexico, of course. You know. Outside of that, it's Turbo's Garage. Like, favorite, and subscribe. Enjoy.